Although dinosaurs, along with many other prehistoric creatures, went extinct millions of years ago, there are some creatures that walked the earth with them that still live today. You would think that they have changed to the point that they became a whole different species, but that is not the case. The animals we will talk about today are basically the same as they were in prehistoric times. Some have experienced minor changes, but nothing to the point that would make them completely different from how they were back then. Join us on this journey as we explore 15 prehistoric creatures that still exist today, even after millions of years. Let's start with number 15, Platypus. We're all familiar with the platypus, one of the strangest creatures on Earth. This egg-laying mammal has puzzled scientists for centuries, and its origins stretch far back into prehistoric times. The oldest known fossil of a modern platypus dates back 100,000 years, but its ancestors are believed to have roamed the supercontinent Gondwana nearly 170 million years ago. What makes the platypus even more fascinating is the reaction it sparked when it was first discovered in 1799. Scientists, baffled by its unusual look, thought it was fake. They were convinced that someone had sewn together different animals to create this bizarre creature. Yet, as odd as it may seem, the platypus is very real. Now the question here is, how did this creature survive for millions of years with such a unique appearance? Well, no one knows for sure, but it's believed that the platypus has remained relatively unchanged due to its isolated habitat in Australia. Number 14. Crocodiles. Now we know why you came. Big, scary reptiles, right? Well, crocodiles are much more than just fearsome creatures. They share a deep connection with dinosaurs, belonging to a group called archosaurs, or ruling reptiles, that dates back to the early Triassic period, around 250 million years ago. The first crocodilian, however, evolved about 95 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period. These modern-day crocs trace their lineage to prehistoric alligators like Deinosuchus, massive, low-to-the-ground water dwellers with long snouts, powerful tails, and an abundance of teeth. What's even more mind-blowing is that, aside from crocodiles, the only other surviving archosaurs are birds. Crocodiles are closely related to the ducks in your local pond. So, next time you're feeding the ducks, keep a cautious eye out, just in case. These beasts have been around for millions of years, and their survival story is a testament to their ancient resilience. Number 13. Alligator Gar. The alligator gar is one of North America's largest and most ancient fish, dating back over 215 million years. These impressive creatures can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh up to 300 pounds. Known for their enormous alligator-like mouths, they are skilled ambush predators, lurking below the surface and striking quickly at unsuspecting prey. While their diet typically consists of fish, such as carp, they're opportunistic feeders and will consume small mammals, birds, and even turtles when the chance arises. Despite their intimidating appearance, alligator gars are generally not dangerous to humans, but their size and prehistoric lineage make them fascinating symbols of Earth's ancient ecosystems. Found in slow-moving rivers and wetlands across the southern United States, alligator gars have survived for millions of years, offering a rare glimpse into the distant past and the resilience of ancient life forms. Number 12. Emperor Scorpion. The emperor scorpion, one of the largest scorpion species in the world, can grow up to 8 inches in length. This ancient creature has roamed the earth for over 300 million years, surviving through multiple geological epochs. Native to the rainforests and savannas of West Africa, emperor scorpions thrive in moist, dark environments. Despite their intimidating appearance, with large pincers and a fearsome stinger, they are relatively docile creatures. Their venom is mild, and they rarely pose a danger to humans. This makes them a popular choice in the exotic pet trade, where they are admired for their size and unique appearance. Emperor scorpions primarily feed on insects, using their pincers to capture prey before delivering a venomous sting. As living fossils, they offer a fascinating look into the evolutionary past, surviving as one of Earth's most ancient, yet still thriving arachnids. Number 11. Coelacanth. The coelacanth, a deep-sea fish that has been around for approximately 410 million years, is often referred to as a living fossil. Once thought to have gone extinct with the dinosaurs, coelacanths were rediscovered in 1938 off the coast of South Africa. These lobed fish are found at depths of around 2,300 feet below sea level and are among the earliest examples of jawed fish. Coelacanths possess unique, fleshy pectoral fins that allow them to walk along the ocean floor. Despite their ancient lineage, coelacanths have very small brains, with fat occupying most of their cranial cavity. This adaptation, however, doesn't seem to hinder their survival in the deep, cold waters they inhabit. These extraordinary fish offer a rare window into prehistoric marine life, showing how some species have remained largely unchanged for millions of years. Their survival is a testament to nature's resilience and the mysteries that still lie beneath the ocean's surface. Number 10. Cassowaries. Judging by their giant claw-like feet, it's no surprise that cassowaries often draw comparisons to dinosaurs like velociraptors. These massive birds, the third largest in the world, have a fierce reputation, with reports of them attacking humans. Native to northern Australia, Papua New Guinea, and Indonesia, they're known for their vibrant blue necks and impressive casques. Their green eggs are unique, but even more fascinating is their swimming ability. These birds are surprisingly good swimmers. The casque, a leathery crest on their heads, adds to their dinosaur-like allure. Scientists are still debating its purpose. Some suggest it might help regulate body heat, while others believe it plays a role in their booming call, which reaches frequencies too low for humans to hear. Regardless, these fascinating birds carry an ancient legacy, living relics of the creatures that once roamed our planet, and serve as a reminder of nature's enduring connection to the past. Number 9. Tuatara. Here's a creature that defies time, tuataras, the sole survivors of an ancient group of reptiles that once flourished during the early Triassic period. These unique creatures, native to New Zealand, are the only living members of the Rhynchocephalia order, which thrived between 240 million and 60 million years ago. Tuataras are known for their incredible lifespan, with some living over 100 years. Unlike most reptiles, they thrive in cooler temperatures, a feature that makes them truly exceptional. Often called living dinosaurs, tuataras are not closely related to any modern reptiles. In fact, they're so genetically isolated that they stand alone in their species group. Their diet consists of insects, small birds, and lizards, which they decapitate with their sharp, saw-like teeth. These fascinating creatures remain largely unchanged, offering a glimpse into a bygone era, and their continued survival is a testament to their extraordinary adaptability. Number 8. Sharks. In a way, it's an insult to sharks to call them modern-day dinosaurs. They're far older than that. Sharks evolved into their current form over 450 million years ago during the Silurian period, well before dinosaurs even existed. These ancient creatures have weathered every major extinction event since the seas were filled with trilobites. In comparison, dinosaurs were just a brief chapter in Earth's history. Sharks' evolutionary lineage has seen remarkable diversity, from the terrifying megalodon to the glowing species of the deep. While hammerhead sharks might seem unusual, their T-shaped heads pale in comparison to the spiral-toothed helicoprion or the anvil-shaped dorsal fin of Stethecanthus. Some species of shark even have the ability to glow in the dark, adding another layer of mystery to these ancient predators. With their ability to adapt and survive, sharks remain one of the most successful species on Earth, constantly evolving in ways that keep them at the top of the ocean's food chain. Number 7. Lizards. While they share a common ancestry with dinosaurs, lizards and dinosaurs took very different evolutionary paths. Unlike dinosaurs whose legs are pointed straight down like mammals, lizards have sprawling limbs that stick out to the side, similar to those of crocodiles. Over time, this difference in limb structure led to distinct evolutionary paths, with lizards adapting into more than 10,000 species across the globe. Their ability to adapt to diverse environments is one of their greatest strengths. From gliding across the air to walking on water, lizards have developed an extraordinary range of abilities. Some can scale trees, hang from ceilings, or even regenerate lost tails, making them one of the most versatile groups of animals. This adaptability has allowed them to survive multiple mass extinction events, cementing their place on Earth for millions of years. While their ancient relatives, the dinosaurs, are long gone, lizards continue to thrive, showcasing the power of evolution in action. Number 6. Crabs. They might not be dinosaurs, but crabs deserve a special mention for their ancient lineage and remarkable survival skills. Crustaceans like lobsters and horseshoe crabs have been around for hundreds of millions of years, with the latter dating back around 450 million years. However, true crabs emerged between 200 and 150 million years ago, during the time of the dinosaurs. Their period of greatest diversity, known as the Cretaceous Crab Revolution, marked a time when 80% of modern crab species evolved. This diversification helped crabs adapt to a wide range of environments, making them one of the most successful groups of animals. Crabs' ability to evolve tough exoskeletons and powerful pincers allowed them to thrive in the wake of the mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs. Today, crabs continue to be a resilient and adaptive species, inhabiting nearly every corner of the Earth, from oceans to land, and their survival is a testament to the strength of evolution. Number 5. Ostriches. Ostriches, along with cassowaries, emus, and kiwis, belong to a unique group of flightless birds known as retites. Their connection to dinosaurs is fascinating, as ornithologist Peter Howd of the Smithsonian Institution theorized that some small dinosaurs evolved into birds, with certain species evolving to stay grounded. Retites, according to Howd, evolved backward, losing their ability to fly in response to their environment. This reverse evolution might explain their oversized size, shaggy feathers, and their reptile-like jaws, traits that likely helped ostriches fend off larger predators. Today, these birds, which have adapted to harsh environments in Africa and beyond, serve as living remnants of a bygone era, demonstrating how evolutionary pressures shape species in unexpected ways. As one of the largest birds alive, ostriches are a perfect example of how the ancient world continues to influence the creatures we see today. Number 4. Sea turtles. Sea turtles are remarkable survivors that have witnessed millions of years of change. Part of the testudine group, which includes tortoises and terrapins, sea turtles first appeared around 230 million years ago, during the age of the dinosaurs. Despite being ancient, they've shown incredible resilience, surviving multiple extinction events that wiped out other species, including the dinosaurs themselves. Their protective shells, which evolved from expanded ribs, helped them endure the mass extinctions, providing both a shield and an evolutionary advantage. Although there's debate over whether turtles are more closely related to snakes and lizards or belong to the archosaur group, they continue to thrive in oceans worldwide. Their ongoing adaptation and survival, even through catastrophic events, serve as a testament to the power of evolution. Sea turtles are living connections to the distant past, proving that resilience and adaptability can overcome even the most challenging conditions. Number 3. Chickens. It's well known that birds are the closest living relatives to dinosaurs, but recent discoveries have unveiled an even deeper connection between chickens and their prehistoric ancestors. In 2003, Paleontologists Jack Horner and Mary Schweitzer discovered collagen in the fossilized femur of a T-Rex, which led to a shocking revelation. After analyzing the protein's molecular structure, they found that the closest match was in chickens. Yes, chickens. Despite seeming worlds apart, chickens and T-Rex share similar molecular structures, pointing to a more direct link than previously imagined. This discovery is a thrilling reminder that the legacy of the dinosaurs is not just in fossils, but still exists in the genes of modern animals. Chickens, once considered far removed from their ancient relatives, are now seen as living remnants of the great prehistoric creatures that roamed the earth millions of years ago. Number 2. Snakes. If any modern creature can truly be called a terrible lizard, it's the snake. With their eerie, slithering movements and role in countless myths and phobias, snakes have long captivated the human imagination. Evolutionarily, snakes are fascinating in their transformation. They evolved by shedding key anatomical features, most notably their legs. One of the earliest known snake species, Pachyrhachus problematicus, from the Cretaceous period, had a fully functioning pelvis and hind limbs, but also displayed the slender, mobile body and skull typical of modern snakes. This drastic evolution allowed snakes to become more mobile and capable of hunting larger prey. Additionally, their unusual internal structure, with kidneys arranged one in front of the other and a preference for one lung, enhances their unique biology. Snakes have adapted to life in a way few creatures ever could, making them one of the most intriguing and ancient survivors of Earth's evolutionary journey. Number 1. Dendrograma. Dendrograma are intriguing marine creatures that resemble tiny mushrooms, with a simple, rudimentary gastrovascular system. These enigmatic animals lack both a nervous system and any identifiable sex organs, which sets them apart from most other life forms. Evolving into their current form around 550 million years ago, Dendrograma represents one of the earliest and most mysterious branches of the animal kingdom. Despite their unusual structure, these creatures have puzzled and captivated marine biologists since their discovery in 2014. Their primitive features make them a fascinating subject of study, as they provide valuable insights into the evolutionary history of life on Earth. Dendrograma's unique characteristics and ancient origins make them an extraordinary example of how diverse life forms can evolve in the deep. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.